Hey there, fellow photographers and science enthusiasts. I'm Master Photographer Ty Swartz, and I'm excited to invite you on a one-of-a-kind 9-day photography adventure in England with a unique focus on urban, night, and forensic photography. From April 10th to 18th, 2026, we'll explore the captivating sights of London and beyond while sharpening our photography skills and indulging night photography. Imagine capturing the mysteries of Stonehenge, creating your own iconic landscape portraits in Bletchley Park, and straddling two hemispheres at the Royal Observatory, all through your lens. I'll be there with you, sharing quick techniques for stunning urban and scientific photography, tips for stock-worthy images, and on-the-go editing tutorials using Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. We'll cruise the Thames, photograph Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, capture the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace, and even try our hand at London night photography. But this isn't just any photo tour. We'll immerse ourselves in a CSI-inspired forensics workshop, explore the National Museum of Computing, and let our creativity be our guide as we uncover London's secrets, all while capturing these experiences through our lenses. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this tour will not just enhance but transform your photography skills and engage your scientific curiosity in ways you never imagined. Get ready to be empowered. Here's the exciting part. If you register before December 2nd, 2024, you'll get $100 off this exclusive journey. I always limit my educational travel adventures to less than 15 people, and spots are limited, so get started and secure your place among the privileged few. Click on the link now to secure your place. Join me for an English adventure that will change how you see and capture the world. Let's make some unforgettable memories together. Remember that the $100 discount is only available if you register before December 2nd, 2024. I look forward to seeing you in England.